Hello friends, today I will tell you how to connect your MySQL database at localhost. So I'm assuming that you have installed XAMP server. So if you have installed this, then just click on your XAMP control panel and open it. Here you have to start your Apache server and then MySQL server. So I'm going to allow this and then click on MySQL and start it and allow access also. So here we have to click on the admin. So this is the admin button and I am going to click on this. So when I clicked, here your localhost PHP my admin is open. So now what you have to do, your next step is to click on the database. Here just write the name of your database like I can say my DB. Okay, write the name here below the create database in this field and click on create. So my DB is created. You can see that. Now what we have to do, we can add some tables there, but we will do it later on. First of all, when you create your table, now what you have to do, go to the PC, see where you have installed your XAMP. Maybe your location is different from mine, but you have to locate your XAMP folder where you installed your XAMP server. Okay, so I have in C and in XAMP folder, and here just click on htdocs. So click on this and here create your project folder. Like you are going to create a project of e-commerce, then just create a folder or paste your whole project here in htdocs. But for now I'm going to create a folder ecom. Just open this ecom folder and here right click and create a text document name as connection.php. Okay, so this is my or I'm not going to write the extension there. I'm just writing the name as connection. So here now there's some coding part. Now right click on the connection file and open with Visual Studio Code. Save it as connection dot. Here you can check the PHP file. I'm going to save it as a PHP and just save it. So ignore these messages and now you have this PHP file. Just delete this file and open it as a Visual Studio Code. Write some code there like PHP and this. So I have a PHP syntax. I'm going to write this. First of all, I'm going to declare some variables like $server name equal to, like I have a local host, so write just a local host, and then create another variable like user name, username. This is the default username, and then I have a password that adnet set it yet, but that's why I'm going to set as empty. Now I'm going to create connection. So how to create a connection? Just write $sign and a variable declare conn, CONN, equal to new, and here write MySQLi. And in this method call your all variable, like first variable is server name, second variable is $sign username, and the third variable is $sign password. So here it is. Now I'm going to check connection, like I write if connection is not connect, then echo output is not connected. And for the else part, I write echo connected successfully. So I am going to save it by pressing Ctrl S. Now what we have to do? We have to check it by using IP address. First of all, write cmd there and write ipconfig. Here is your IP address, IPv4 address 192.168.100.82. Just Control C and Control V there. So you have your connection. Now just delete this thing and write here your folder name, that's ecom, and then your file name, in my case connection.php. If the message is shown as connected successfully, then I am successful at connected successfully. Just enter, and here a syntax error, like syntax error unexpected, okay, online, okay, so I have to check on this. What I am missing, these columns. Now again check it, connected successfully. So that's it. Hope so you liked this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon.